What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to automate bulk images and videos on Meta.ai. If you're tired of manually typing prompts one by one into Meta.ai to generate your content, what if you could turn Meta.ai into an automated batch processing engine? So firstly, open up your Chrome browser and head straight to the Chrome web store. In the search bar, type AutoMeta. Look for the official extension with the little duck icon. Click on it and smash the Add to Chrome button. Once it's installed, pin the extension to your browser toolbar so you have quick access to your new control panel. Now head over to Meta.ai/media and log into your account. Now click on your brand new AutoMeta extension icon. This opens up a custom dashboard with two smart models. If you want to use reference photos, select Image to Video and upload the bulk folder of images. If you just want pure text generation, make sure 0 images are selected to trigger the text to video mode. Then just pass your massive list of text prompts right into the prompt list box and make sure each prompt is its own line. Now, before you run this, go to your Chrome download settings and turn off the option that says Ask where to save each file. This is crucial so the files save silently. Now go back to the extension, tweak your wait time to avoid rate limits and hit start. That is it. AutoMeta will automatically feed your text into Meta.ai. Wait for the generation to finish. Auto-download the MP4s and the images directly to your hard drive and instantly loop to the next prompt. And it's literally the absolute way to scale your content without lifting a finger. If this automation trick saved you hours of grandiose clicking today, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.